Hello guys, welcome to K1 Study Smart. Today we'll talk about UPSC and SSC banking reported most important question related. So let's start now. Fifth of our question. Who will be lead of the Indian delegation to the ACO Shanghai Corporation Organization is Islamabad. इस्लामाबाद में कौन सा जिला में इसको कॉपी किया था? तो ऑप्शन ए नीला सदन, ऑप्शन बी नरेंद्र मोदी और ऑप्शन सी है डी एस जयशंकर, ऑप्शन डी अमित शाह। तो राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी होगा डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर। तो इसके बारे में डिटेल देख लेते हैं। एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर विल बी लीड द Indian delegation to Islamabad for the SCO summit to be held in the 15th and 16th October. Ministry of Spokesperson Mirad Randhir Jaiswala confirmation at the media brief of the Delhi this afternoon. कब होगा? 16 and 15 अक्टूबर को किया जाएगा। कहाँ पे? इस्लामाबाद। फिर कौन करेगा? तो एस जयशंकर। Where was the काक्यूतिया इकोनॉमिक कंसलेशन 2024 होल्ड कहाँ किया जाएगा? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मुंबई, बैंगलोर, नई दिल्ली या चेन्नई। तो राइट आंसर होगा नई दिल्ली में किया जाएगा इकोनॉमिक कन्वेंशन 24 में। तो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमण हैज बीन imposed has the government confirmation to the official delegation spokesperson at the Kakutiya Economic Coalition 24 in New Delhi. This is the morning the finance ministry said the official default it is the establishment declaration for the from 5-6% the finance year 24 in the 4.9% in 25 जो 4.9% the highest 25 में रहेगा। Which Indian language were the recently given the state of the classical language by cabinet approval? तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ऑप्शन होगा तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा, संस्कृत, असमी, बंगाली, मराठी, पोली, संस्कृत, हिंदी, पंजाबी, मलयाली, गुजराती, ओरिया। राइट आंसर होगा बी होगा आसामी, बंगाली, मराठी, पोली एवं पख्ती को ये इसका राष्ट्रीय क्लासिकल लैंग्वेज का कैबिनेट ने अप्रूवल दिया है। तो आसामी, बंगाली, मराठी, पोली एंड पख्ती ये लैंग्वेज को दिया गया है 5 लैंग्वेज का। देखो इंपॉर्टेंट देखो economists and this research and across this country have filled in the union cabinet this recently declaration confirmation the status of the classical language on the 5 Indian language. The cabinet on the Thursday including the Assam, Bengali, Marathi, Pali and Prakiti in the list of the classical language. In this status will be held by the language receive several benefit from the government of in promoting their study and the proposability. Next, who greeted the global summit on the spirituality of the clean and healthy society organized by the Prajapati Bharmara Kumar and as well as the Vishwanath Vijay Leon at the Monte Abu, Rajasthan. तो ऑप्शन है ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, ऑप्शन बी प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू, ऑप्शन सी चीफ मिनिस्टर अशोक गहलोत या डी यूनियन मिनिस्टर समिति। राइट आंसर होगा प्रेसिडेंट श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू इज द प्रेसिडेंट। द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन Smriti Draupadi Murmu is a grocery day at the Global Summit on Special of the Clean and Healthy Society, being organization by the Prajapati Bhamra as the Kumar as Vishwanath is the Vidyalaya at the Mount Abbey, Rajasthan. Today is the right 4th of 24, 4th October 20 का इसको दिया गया है। नेक्स्ट है what is the milestone did how India renovation energy sector achieve in 2023? The right answer 1 million panels या 1.2 million या 500 new words या 100% increase Hyderabad project. The right answer होगा 1.2 million jobs renewable energy. in a significant military for the India innovation energy sector, the total number of the job reached in the establishment 1.0 million and 23 according to the 24 annual report by the International Innovation Energy. The global innovation energy workforce grew to 160.2 million up to from 13.7 million in 2022, and India making in the notable contribution on to this raise the repute development in the collaboration with the International Labour Organization, highlight in the growing leadership in the clean energy and its force on creating great jobs that drive economic growth. Right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Jai Hind.